Okay, so I hope all of you are able to see my screen. So this is maths orientation for electronics. So, uh, Srikanth, is it fine? May I proceed? Am I audible? Vishal?
Yeah, Shubham, you may proceed. You're audible,
Okay,
visible, yeah.
okay. So, like all of you will see, the faculty is Andrew sir, Andrew Thankraj, and the instructor we'll see with Srikanth is here. We are three instructor in this maths too. Srikanth, would you say hello to all? Srikanth is a MSc Mathematics from IIT Madras.
Yeah,
Are
hello
you
all
there?
and welcome to this course. Hope we'll have a great term the next 3 months. Yeah, yeah, that's all for me.
Thanks, Srikanth. Next course instructor is Vishal. He is also available here. He did MTech from IIT Madras. Hello, Vishal. Could you say to hi to all of us, to all of
Yeah,
our
hello.
students?
Yeah, thanks, Shubham. So, hello everyone. I'm Vishal and I'll be there with you for the next term in the maths too. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Thanks, Vishal. And myself, Shubham Maurya. I did mathematics, MSc Mathematics from IIT Madras. And we'll see. All of you can see in live sessions. I think there are probably 2 live sessions in per week. So either you can connect with us through live sessions, or there is a discourse. I think all of you know it, that what is a discourse. If you have any kind of doubt or anything, even the course related also, you can ping in the discourse directly, as the course ID is here, Srikanth 2029 for the Srikanth, and or Vishal, and directly you can ping to Vishan, and for myself, you can ping to Shubham Maurya. So this is all about the faculty and the course instructor. Okay. Next is about the course content. So course content, you will see from even the first week itself, linear algebra, and from the, so you will see the linear algebra thing, and in the linear algebra, the courses will start from vectors, uh, subspaces, vector space, matrices, linear combination, basis, dimension. I think all of you are looking at a new thing. Maybe I'm not sure, but maybe you will get this a new thing. But maybe who have done some courses related to mathematics or maybe BTech have seen already these all. Uh, but yeah, this is a new from this maths one. If you compare with the maths one, this is new thing, but easy. The easy in the sense of that, this is at least for week 1 to 4 is you will see only the R2. On R2 we'll see, like, I mean to say, there are spaces in the case, we used to do the addition, multiplication, or just a real number. And if you extend it with the coordinate system, as you know, the lines plane, so we can more do in the sense of R2 when we'll see the vector space. So there the terms came now, basis, dimension, vectors, matrices, these terms will came. And there is a specific type of mapping also, function we will see from a vector space to another vector space. And as we used to do multiplication, other things in real line, so there, to do such in R2, we'll see the inner product, so that we can not multiply. There is a specific type of relation, or we can do the dot product, something that is called inner product also. Means a specific type of inner product. So to deal with the vectors or sorry, anyone say something? Okay.
Sorry, Ankit, can you mute yourself?
Please, everyone, mute yourself.
Yeah, thanks, Ankit. Yeah, please continue, Shubham.
Yeah, okay. So a specific type of relation you will see with some operation that inner product is a kind of function also in the different word to relate to element, you can say, or vectors of a vector space. And these all will combine like function, vectors, that is element, you can say from specifically. These all will combine and will see a space and will play on, with a specific type of function. And those function that is called linear transformation also in different word. And that linear transformation, we can connect that linear transformation with some matrix format also. Okay, so playing with the matrix or playing with the linear transformation would be, a kind of one thing is there. Either you can play with the or do the operations on matrices or do on the linear transformation. It will be similar, not even similar exactly. One kind of mapping, one correspondence is there. So this is all about. You will see the. I'm not going to go in detail the course in for the course, but yeah, you can see these all. And next is uh, this is for week 1 to 8. So week 1 to 4 is on R2, but now slowly we'll extend, and from 4 to 8 we can play or we can do with RN. RN in the sense of like it could be R3, R4 or any finite dimensional. For a finite number, for a definite number, finite number, we will see 4, 5, maybe more than that. For a fixed number, we'll deal with the this vector space Rn. Okay, and this is from week 1 to 8. All like 4 to 8 will be exactly similar as we will learn from week 1 to 4, and the same words you will see. Even everything would be going to be same, but this week 1 to 4 you will see from only on R2, but from 4 to 8 you will see on Rn. That could be anything R3, R4 or anything. And now 9 to 12 is going to be some different, not you will see not a big different, but yeah, there is a Fourier series and its application you will see. There are signals as vector you can think, and then that signals can be extended, that signals could be think as a function or anything, and that could be extended on sinusoidal function, sine cos function, exponential functions. It could be a series, it could be a finite series or infinite series, but it's depend on like if you are thinking for finite series that we can call it as a partial Fourier series, and if you are thinking it as infinite, then it could be a full Fourier series. These topics are easier, not tough, you will see. But yeah, there are so many formulas. Maybe you have to remember those all. Even you can generate also once you will see the lecture. Professor have deal everything with like how you can generate the formulas also, and with the proof. Sir have given these all. Okay, so these topics are not tough, just a bit calculative. Okay, this is 9 to 12, and then so regarding the assignments and uh, sessions, live sessions. So assignments would be, there would be activity questions for each lecture, and for to evaluate your knowledge, to gauge your knowledge, there is a graded assignment, and there is a practice assignment that very similar to the like mean to say there is a practice assignment first, and then there is a graded assignment which is going to be very similar to the practice assignment. If you do the practice, then probably will able to deal with the graded hope all of you have already seen with the maths one at least, or other courses, as it is going to be the same. And doubt clearing is live session is going to be, yeah, on demand session. Probably if needed, we can do on demand session also. And the discourse I already told right in the starting itself. You can ping, or you can just put a message, you can write there, and we can connect there. We can discuss the doubts. And the next is there are going to be two quizzes. Quiz one is going to be week 1 to 4, and the second quiz 2 is going to be 4 to 8, means 5 to 8. And then in term is going to be going to be the whole syllabus of maths too. Even you can give the more weightage to the 9 to 12. So not only that, there are not 12 weeks. So I just forget to tell you, there are 11 weeks, and week 12 is just a recap. Maybe you will see one lecture. So this is going to be till week 11. These contents are within 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and assignments you have to need to submit till week 11. Nothing is in week 12. That is, week 12 is going to be just a recap. Okay. So till week 11, so in term is the weightage, you can think more on 9, 10, and 11, and then rest all will be distributed to 1 to 8. So this is about the quizzes and interim exam. And so duration of the lecture per week, you can see approximately 2.5 hour. And we are expected effort per week is 8 to 10 hour. And live session is going to be, there are 2 live sessions, maybe on demand also. So, but per session is going to be of 2 hours. Okay. And this is one advice from our side, to take the maximum 3 courses per semester. As you can even feel that how it is. If you are feeling a bit heavy, then you can take 3 courses. If as it's depend on you, if you want, you can take 4 courses also. But from our side, it is advisable to take the maximum 3 courses per semester. And yeah, so regarding the contents, like we have already on the portal, but you can see the books related to that. Okay, that is a reference material. The primary study material is going to be a course portal itself. The next is either you can follow this Introduction to Linear Algebra, this Gilbert Stank book, 6th edition, new, or even older also can work. So this is the reference material, and yeah, that's all from our side. Now doubts are open. Now anyone have any kind of doubt? We 3 are here. Okay, and just let me know whatever doubts you have. Anyone? Any doubt? Related to course, or anything, any kind of doubt, if you are coming to mind, just let us know. No one? Am I audible, Srikanth, Vishal?
Yeah, sure. You're audible.
Okay. Yes, Avinash. Okay. Aman Raj, do you want to say something? No. No one have doubt. Okay. I don't know. That's all. Srikant, do you want to say something? None of is asking. None of the students. So, anything you want to say something, Srikant? Busy, I think maybe he's in the different board. Okay, no issues.
Yeah, Shubham. So if they don't have anything, we may move to the next course, I guess, right?
Yeah, I think yeah, that's need to be moved to the next course. I think okay, living
The next
other.
course is Python, or yeah,
So yeah, any instructor is from that course? Anyone? I think who is there?
Levin is there. Levin and even Cobra is there.
Yeah, Living and Cobra.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
audible but a very low voice.
Yes, Cobra, you can now take over this session.
Is my
Your voice is very low, Cobra.
okay. Living, can you take it? Living, are you there? Am I audible now? I mean, is the voice changed?
Yeah, you are audible, but voice is very low.
Okay. Shubham, we can move with the next course if I'm audible. Like,
Yeah,
we
now
can...
your voice is better.
Fine, huh?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah, it
Then
is
I'll
fine.
share my screen. Okay. Screen is visible, right?
Yeah, Cobra.
Yes.
Okay. So the course name is Introduction to Python, and I'll start with week 1. So week 1 will be an introduction to Python language, programming language. So then we'll go with the Python runtimes, including we'll introduce to Replit, a online editor. Then we'll check with the input and output in Python, how variables are declared. We'll talk about literals. Then data types, different data types in Python. And then we'll go with operators and expressions like addition, multiplication, division, etc. So that's the basics of Python will be covered in our week 1. Then in week 2, again, it will be an extension of week 1 where we will deal with variables. Then dynamic typing, which is a very important concept in Python. Then escape characters and codes, Once you start, you will understand what we mean by this. Then strings and string methods, which is again another data type, just like our words or sentences. Then we'll go with conditionals. If, elif, else, ladder, all these things will be discussed. Then we'll also see something about importing libraries. Then in week 3, we'll talk about loops, just a while loop and for loop. These are used to do something repeatedly. Then we will discuss on for loops with and without range. So there is a function called range. We'll talk about range, and we'll use for loop with and without range. Then we'll go with the formatted printing. Then nested loops. Again, maybe a while loop inside a while loop or for loop inside a for loop, these things. Then we'll discuss some break, continue, and pass, some of the statements, which is again used in while loop and for loop. Then in week 4, we'll introduce you to collections and functions. So collection means just like a list, etc. And functions you might have seen in C programming too. So similar to that. So that's about week 1 to 4. After week 4, you will have your quiz 1. Then week 5, we'll discuss more on collections, other collection like tuple, dictionary, etc. And also different types of function, built-in function, and yeah. We'll also introduce you to functional programming, which is a very important part of Python, which will make your life easier while you code. Then week 7 and 6, we won't have any other concepts, new concepts, but you will have some programming practice weeks, which is related to our OPP exam. So we'll give some more kind of exams in these 2 weeks so that you will be well prepared for OPP1 exam. So OPP1 will be after week 7, and the syllabus will be week 1 to 5, along with the exams that you do in week 6 and 7. So then we have week 8. Week 8, file handling will be introduced. Reading and writing to files and handling some big files will be discussed here. And for OPP2 exam, the syllabus is till week 8. Those week 1 to 5 plus this 8. So then comes week 9. Week 9, you'll be introduced to recursion, which is again related to function. And you will also see some of the search algorithms and sorting algorithm here. Then in week 10, it is a different concept, object-oriented programming concept, classes and objects. And also you will be introduced to exception handling. When you get a runtime error, how you handle this. And yeah, this is actually the content of Python. Almost everything will be covered till week 10. And then in week 11, you will see this introduction to NumPy library, pandas, and matplotlib. This is not included for enter, just for additional information. Yeah, that's it. And for week 12, you will have some OPP mock released in week 12, just for practice. That's about Python. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I'm asking about what is the good practice for
Full
gaining more
con-
in
course
Python?
con-
Sorry, what is the
Good practice for Python, because for Linux we struggle a lot.
good practice for Python, you're asking?
Yes.
You just have to solve GRPS by your own, and then we release lot of mocks during the course. And also you can refer some online sources where you will get many questions. You can practice those. And we also have some previous PP and GRPS. You can also practice from there. So you don't worry about the resources. We provide a lot. You just have to invest some time to Python. Okay. Anyone else?
Sorry, ma'am, I joined in late. Is this counseling session for the diploma level students as well?
This is just for diploma level.
Okay, for ES stream, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, okay. I missed in the initial part of this meeting, so not sure what means
Okay,
what all
Gaurav,
happened. Yeah,
Kubra, let
yes, sir.
me.
Good evening. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Yeah.
So we just gone through Math for Electronics 2 course. I suppose you have already done that course, right?
Yeah, that was there in the
Yeah.
T3 for me. Yeah.
Yeah. So we just gone through Math for Electronics 2 course and all. And by the way, this is not counseling or anything. Okay, this is just an orientation session
Okay.
where we
Okay.
just show what all things you will be learning. Okay.
Okay.
In
Thank you,
that
sir. Yeah.
particular course. Okay.
I'll
Yeah.
I'll remain there in the session in case I have some question. I'll ask it.
Yeah. Kubra, you can continue. Sorry.
Any doubt? We can take doubt if somebody has any doubt. If you have any confusion regarding transitioning from C programming to Python, you don't have to worry about that. We have a document which will give that smooth transition. Okay, and the rest of the things will be very easy for you as you already have done C programming. Srikant, I think we can go with the next course.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's a small request from student side that for Python, please make a G space for our those students who have enrolled now. Please make a G space so that we can just communicate there better.
We usually use Discourse forum. We'll check with the team whether it is possible just for
Ma'am,
your students.
just like maths too, there is one G space that I've created. It's just like the same. I don't think there will be so many students that they will be choosing Python. The
Ma'am,
number will
this
be
is
less one.
may I contribute, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did the Python course this time in this term, last term. So Python course is offered to DS students as well, and it
Yes.
has a very active community support.
Yes.
So a separate G space, I would say that won't be needed. They have their own, means very active and very engaging, like practice sessions and hackathons and all. You won't miss that, believe me.
Yeah, right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Plus, this is means it is offered to DS students as well, so it will be a quite large group there. So you'll get ample opportunities there.
Yeah, that's right, actually.
For maths too, I'm sure math sir must have elaborated on the course. But uh, keep yourself engaged in the community space as well. There's a in separate G space as you already mentioned. So um, keep yourself motivated for that.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
What's the syllabus for OPP 1? Is it till week 5?
Yeah, it's till week 5.
Because in the slides which you have shown, I think I saw OPP 2. So can you check it again?
So PP1 is till week 5. 6 and 7 we have practice programming weeks. Right after 7th week, you will be writing OPP1.
Okay, because in the slides which you have shown, it was mentioned that for OPP2, the syllabus will be till week 5 or something like that.
OPP2, it's till week 8. File handling will be introduced in week 8. That will also be included for OPP2.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm sorry to ask again. Is there any difference between the Python that is offered to data science and yes, is there any difference between both of them or exact the same curriculum will be there?
Exact same.
Okay.
Any other doubts?
Are you going to share some insight about the courses going to be offered for T4 in this session
Srikant, can you take this?
for diploma level students?
For diploma, only 2 new courses are, I think, offered this time.
Yeah. So, what courses can we expect that we will be undergoing?
Sorry, Gaurav, can you repeat?
So, what courses shall we expect that we can undertake in this term, in the upcoming term?
So you have done math for electronics 2 course.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then have you done signals and systems?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are left with intro to Python.
No, I have done that as well, sir.
That as well. Then I don't
Sir,
see
can I help?
Huh?
This time there will be 2 courses as per my
Yeah,
advice.
yeah. So that
One
is
will be
analog electronic systems
and
and digital
DSP.
signal processing. Yeah, DSP.
Yes, sir.
But the orientation session for that is on September 9th.
Yes.
So you just
Okay,
wasted
okay.
your 1 hour of your crucial time on Saturday, that to Ganesh Chaturthi.
No, sir, it's not wasted. It's always a pleasure to interact with the students and fellow students and you folks. So it's not wasted at all, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you
So,
see in that way, then it's not wasted. But if you are here for any orientation kind of thing, then all the courses that you have done,
Excuse me, sir, from
yeah,
term or
just
diploma.
discuss.
If you have,
Yeah.
can we choose some courses from term to diploma?
Sorry? No. So you have to finish all the foundational courses and then you will be allowed to choose diploma courses.
so will it just be 2 courses for us, like for which the
Yes.
orientation is scheduled for 9th?
Yes.
Oh, so we have to complete.
Sorry?
Sorry, I lost you.
Okay. Do we have to complete all the?
And there is a long silence.
Sir, I think they want to ask that did we have to
Term or
complete
diploma
all the
courses
content?
before.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah,
Can you hear me, sir?
I can, but there is a delay in your speech. Okay, somebody is trying to explain, right? Can you explain what he's asking? Is he asking? Okay, let me whatever I think. Let me just put that out. So is he asking just that can he do term courses with diploma courses, like foundational courses with diploma
Sir,
courses? Is this the question?
he's asking that we have to complete all foundation course first, or we can choose diploma.
For that, if that is the question, then the answer is no. So
No,
you
no.
have to finish all your foundational courses. Only then you are eligible to choose diploma level courses.
No, I've already completed all the foundation courses, sir.
Now you are eligible to choose diploma level courses.
I mean to ask whether I can directly select term 2 courses for the diploma.
No. See, because the DSP has a prerequisite of signals and systems. So if you have finished the signals and systems, then you can do DSP.
Okay. So are you offering digital systems design? Because as far as I know, it doesn't have any prerequisites from the term 1 diploma.
Digital? Sorry?
Digital systems design.
Digital system design, I am not sure.
No, sir. This time,
This time, whatever I know is 2 new courses are coming. Those are analog electronic systems and DSP.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. So, any other questions from anybody regarding Math for Electronics 2 and Intro to Python?
Sir, can you brief about the subjective exam? I heard about maths too.
Okay, so I just got an update, and this is regarding foundational and diploma thing. So you don't have to do all the 10 foundational courses in order to move to diploma. It is sufficient to finish 6 courses, 6 foundational courses, and you can choose diploma level courses. But you just have
prerequisite will be there, na?
Yeah.
Prerequisite
So
co-requisite
you just have to make sure that your prerequisite condition is getting satisfied. That's it. For Math for Electronics 2, if you have to choose Math for Electronics 2, out of your 6 foundational courses, you have to finish Math for Electronics 1. So if you have finished Math for Electronics 1 and if you have done 6 foundational courses, then you are eligible to choose Math for Electronics 2. Okay. So the only condition that stops you is this prerequisite condition. Apart from that, you have to finish 6 foundational courses. Okay. So the earlier said statement is wrong. You don't have to finish all the foundational courses. Yeah, so I just got a question in the chat. Math 2, we are going to do subjective exams because we expect that the crowd will also be less this time too. But if to our surprise, if the count is high in Math 2, then we may move to objective. Okay. So post this in your community groups or wherever and ask more students to register to Math 2. So ask all your friends to register for Math 2. And if the count is high, then we will do objective. If the count is moderate to low, then we will do subjective. We'll continue doing subjective. Is that clear, Mackie? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Thanks.
पहला पानी भर गैस का खुले ऑन करायला आहेस रे.
Uh, so if there are any other doubts, you can ask us right now, or else we can end this particular session with a happy note.
Sir, now there will be orientation for signal and system or not?
I'm not sure about signals and systems. Victoria, any idea on any instructor going to join for signals and systems?
I don't have checked with just one team, but she has not reverted back to our messages. So we will take signals and systems along with the Diploma 2 courses. So Tony will be taking signals and systems also. So he will be doing it on September 9th.
Okay,
9th.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, then. Thanks all for joining and have a great day. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. Bye.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. I think Levin, Kubra, me, I think we can leave now. Okay. Thanks, Victoria.
Yeah, thank you.